Tzi. It's an interesting word that is essential for forming certain kinds of questions in Yiddish. It's mentioned in the first unit in the Weinreich, and it's roughly equivalent to the English whether. Whether. It's used to begin to open questions that require a yes or no answer. For example, zum Beispiel, Sie ist das a Tisch? Ja, das ist a Tisch. Sie ist das a Hund? Nein. Is this a table? Yes, it is a table. Is this a dog? No, it's not a dog. Sie, bist du hungrig? Are you hungry? Yes, I am. Ja, ich bin hungrig. Nein, ich bin nicht hungrig. Sie. Remember, you have to. Most Yiddish sentences keep the verb in the second position. So if you have a question, say, are you hungry? Something has to come in front of the verb are. Bist du hungrig? Sie bist du hungrig? Sie bist du hungrig? Are you hungry? In actual speech and writing, it's often dropped. It's sort of optional. Sie seien do Jiden in Afrika. Sie seien do Jiden in Afrika. Seinen do. This is wichtig. This is important. Do is here. But it's also used with the verb to be, zayn, to mean there is or there are. Lass mir sagen, es ist do a Tisch, es ist do a, ich weiß, es ist do a, es ist do a Buch es ist do a Buch auf dem Tisch. There is a book on the table. Es seien do, wie viele Menschen seien do in dem Zimmer? How many people are there in this classroom? Wie viele Menschen seien do?
Seien do 9 Menschen in dem Zimmer?
Es seien do 9 Menschen in dem Zimmer. There are 9 people. It's what is conveyed in English by there. Right? There are, there is. Es ist do, es seien do. Sie seien do Jiden in Afrika. It doesn't mean that we're in Africa. It doesn't mean here in this case. It just means there are. Es seien, ja. Sie seien do Jiden in Afrika, und was ist der Endverb?
Ja, Jeden seien in Afrika?
Jeden seien do in Afrika. Jeden wohnen auf alle Kontinenten. Ja.
I have to keep them. Jeden seien do in Afrika?
Ja, oder in Afrika seien do Jiden. Oder Jiden in Afrika seien do Asach Jiden. Oder in Asach afrikanische Länder seien do Jiden. Gut.